Most people picture a glamour life for doctors. Big house, shiny cars, lots of money. But behind that picture is one of a caregiver who truly wants to help you feel better. That's why it is considered a career to consider, and Youngstown could use more doctors. When you get sick, the first thing you want is help. But a shortage of doctors may have you waiting with your pain for too long in the waiting room.
The shortage is in primary care, all primary care. Okay. So the shortage is in family practice, internal medicine, pediatrics.
Jim Kravick sees it every day in recruiting physicians to Mercy Health, even a shortage of specialists. He thinks there is a simple way to determine if medicine is right for you.
If you think you want to be a doctor, the best thing to do is talk to a physician and spend a day. And most doctors would allow you to shadow him or her to see what it's really like.
If you catch the bug, the first place to start is by going to college and getting a bachelor's degree. Most doctors have a degree in pre-med, chemistry, or biology, and that will be just the beginning of your training.
But all have to go through the medical school tract. So they go through medical school, which is a 4-year program, and then you have to go through residency, and for primary care, it's 3 more years after that.
That's a long commitment, but the reward can be worth it. Doctors have a desire to learn why things happen and how to fix medical problems, plus want to be a caregiver. But they need to understand that it's a profession for your whole life.
You know what, my favorite part of being a physician is when someone calls you and says, "This is my problem, I don't feel well, what do you think it is and how can you help me?"
Now, because the schooling is so long, doctors can graduate with huge amounts of student loan debt. Jim told me what his amount was, and I was just staggered.
I can't believe it.
Mercy Health and other hospitals will help doctors pay off the money in return for a commitment to the area, so that's something to consider. Now, the Ohio Means Jobs website has more information about being a doctor. You can find a link to the website attached to this story at WKBN.com.